Netizens critical of the Duterte administration are having a field day mining the internet for receipts or proof that the president's supporters, elated by Heidelin Diaz's Olympic victory, previously insulted her. Netizens recall what Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo did in 2019 when he was presidential spokesperson. He linked Diaz to an alleged ouster plot against President Rodrigo Duterte. Panelo, however, is singing a different tune after she won the Philippines' first Olympic gold. Netizen Billy Ibarra helped refresh the memories of Filipinos by sharing this photo on Facebook. Screenshots of blogger and radio host Mark Lopez's Facebook posts also reappeared. After he cheered the weightlifting athlete's victory. When Diaz appealed in 2019 for financial aid for her Olympic journey, Lopez questioned her motive. When netizen Charlie Cogure retweeted this, it was also a complete turnaround for Miss July 7, 2019 tweet bashing the athlete.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.